Hey everyone, we're here with a Topps Tribute Football box break. So to everyone who bought spots, thank you and good luck. Alright, 6 packs in here, 5 cards per pack. Set this back here. Alright. Here we go. Here's the first pack. First card is Reggie Wayne. Next one is Ahmad Bradshaw. Next card is Demaryius Thomas, rookie. Next one is, who is that? Dexter McCluster, auto and 2 patch. It's numbered 38 of 60. I don't know if you can see that. And the last card is Kyle Orton, black refractor, numbered 6 of 75. Alright, I'm going to leave the hits right there. Next pack. First card, Chris Ivory. Next one is Hakeem Nicks. John Connor. Montario Hardesty, 4 patch and auto, numbered 47 of 50. Alright. And the last card is Phillip Rivers, numbered 10 of 89. Alright, there it is. That's Jerry Hughes, Adrian Peterson, Ray Rice, Chargers running back Ryan Matthews, rookie, dual patch, numbered 3 of 45. And the last card, 101 magenta printing plate. Who is that? John Connor. That's nice. What team is that? Jets. Alright. Here's the next pack. First card is Tyson Owahu. Not real sure. I don't need to put there. The next card is Mark Sanchez. Then Frank Gore. Black refractor Jonathan Dwyer, numbered 5 of 15, 3 patch. And the last card is Patrick Willis, numbered 4 of 75. Next pack. First card is Patrick Willis. My phone's buzzing. Tim Tebow, rookie. Franco Harris. Looks gold. Is that Jimmy Clausen? Yep. Jimmy Clausen, auto and 2 relic, numbered 14 of 15. It's a low numbered one. Put that up here. And the last card is a green refractor Eli Manning, numbered 19 of 50. So that was a pretty good pack. And here's the last one. Troy Aikman. That's a good start. Patrick Robinson. Anquan Bolden. And that is Jonathan Dwyer. There's another Jonathan Dwyer. numbered 16 of 99, auto and 3 patch relic. And the last card is Michael Turner, numbered 62 of 89. So there's the break. There's the hits. Thanks to everyone who bought spots, and congratulations. Keep an eye out on my other auctions. Thanks.